Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to launch your Audi A7. First, ensure your engine is fully warmed up to its optimal operating temperature. This is crucial for both performance and vehicle longevity. Next, select the appropriate drive mode, typically dynamic or sport, to prepare the car's systems for a high-performance start. This sets the stage for an exhilarating launch. Once your Audi A7 is warm, engage the sport or dynamic drive mode. For maximum performance, you might consider briefly deactivating the traction control system. Now, firmly press the brake pedal with your left foot, ensuring the car is completely stationary. This prepares the vehicle for the next critical step in the launch sequence. With the brake pedal firmly depressed, quickly and fully press the accelerator pedal to the floor with your right foot. You'll notice the engine RPMs will stabilize at an optimal range, indicating launch control is active. Once the RPMs are steady, swiftly release the brake pedal. The car will then accelerate with maximum force, delivering an impressive launch. After a successful launch, maintain a straight steering wheel to ensure optimal traction and control. Remember, repeated high-performance launches can put stress on your vehicle's components. It's wise to allow your engine and drivetrain to cool down after such intense use. Enjoy the incredible performance of your Audi A7 responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.